Kobe 6 Protro Total Orange is set to release on July 18, 2025, with a retail price of $190. Recently revealed images from GOAT confirm earlier mock-ups, highlighting its bold design and icy translucent sole. The vivid color scheme has sparked speculation that the release could be a tribute to the WNBA, a league Kobe Bryant passionately supported. Given Kobe's legacy and his commitment to women's basketball, many believe this colorway may honor his impact on the sport and its athletes. Although Nike has not officially confirmed the inspiration behind the design, the connection to the WNBA remains a strong possibility. Fans of the Kobe Protro series are eagerly awaiting this release, not only for its visual appeal but also for the deeper meaning it may represent. Whether it's a tribute or simply a standout summer drop, the Total Orange Kobe 6 Protro is sure to make waves in 2025.